Hello everyone, welcome back to DigiWorld. Today, you will get to know how to update email ID in Punjab National Bank account, straight on WhatsApp. No need to visit any branch or open any app, no hassle, just your phone. Let's dive in. First things first, grab your phone and save this official PNB WhatsApp number, 92640 as a contact. Now, from your registered mobile number, open WhatsApp, tap the chat. Before typing anything, double check for the blue tick next to Punjab National Bank in the chat. That's your safety net, ensures it's the real deal. Then simply send, hi. You'll receive a reply menu. Tap on All Services. Then select Account Related Services and click on Send option at the bottom to proceed. Bank will send an OTP on your registered mobile number and you'll be asked to enter the OTP. Type the OTP to continue. Once OTP verified, click on Account Queries. It will show different options to choose. From that, select Update Email ID. Then click on Send option at the bottom to proceed. Then tap on List option. It will display all the customer ID linked with your mobile number. Then choose your customer ID from the list. Then click on Send option at the bottom to proceed. If you don't know your customer ID, please watch my video, link in the description box. Then your chosen customer ID in the masked form will be displayed in the screen. Your request for email ID update will be processed. If your email ID is not updated, it will prompt to enter email ID. If your email ID is updated, then you will receive a message. Email ID is already present for the selected customer ID. That's it. This is an easy and secure way to update email ID in your Punjab National Bank account directly on WhatsApp within a minute. There you have it, friends, PNB WhatsApp banking made simple. Smash that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more banking hacks in Hindi and English, and drop hi in comments if you're trying it now. See you next time. Thank you.